Montgomery County is dedicated to improving the health of our waterways and forests and protecting public and private infrastructure through the process of stream restoration. When it rains, most of the rainwater from paved surfaces flows into storm drains. Stormwater runoff travels from these drains through underground pipes and then pours into our streams very quickly and in large amounts, which is a major cause of stream erosion. Erosion occurs when water washes away soil and plants along the stream banks and stream bottom. Excessive erosion harms our waterways, causing healthy trees to fall, exposing public infrastructure, like sewer pipes, and damaging private property, such as a backyard in danger of eroding away into a stream.
Stream channel erosion has been so severe that it erodes back to the private property lines.
Montgomery County carries out stream restoration projects to better manage surging stormwater and repair the harm caused by severe erosion. By taking a very thoughtful and strategic approach to stream restoration, the county ensures limited negative impact and disturbance to plants, wildlife, and our communities. A stream restoration project begins long before construction. Annually, streams throughout the county are monitored to determine their overall health and well-being. Once a stream has been identified as a prime candidate for restoration, site visits occur with engineers, arborists, aquatic biologists, and other environmental professionals to thoroughly map out the current conditions. Then, the design phase begins. From early in the design phase, plans for stream restoration projects are reviewed by federal, state, and local agencies to ensure the project meets all environmental laws and regulations. Once a design is approved, all required permits are obtained and a construction schedule is determined. Throughout the process, improvements and modifications are made to adjust for current conditions. Then, construction can begin.
Hi, I'm Andy Striegel, project planner with the Montgomery County Department of Environmental Protection. For many projects, construction is conducted in segments or sections of stream between roads.
Within each segment, construction will follow the same steps. First, select trees and vegetation are removed, tree protection and sediment management measures are installed, and the access path is constructed.
As needed, wildlife within the stream is also relocated. Next, large rock and wood structures are installed and stream banks are graded. Finally, trees, shrubs, and perennials are planted. This is done during favorable weather conditions in spring and fall.
This means that if a stream segment is completed in July, the planting there will occur in the fall. After construction, we return to the project for regular inspection and maintenance.
Throughout the duration of the project, vehicles and construction equipment will be active in the stream segments 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Community members are always prohibited from entering the construction area. Equipment includes dump trucks, excavators, bulldozers, chainsaws, and wood chippers. You may observe this equipment carrying out a variety of tasks. Some of these tasks are hauling material, grading the floodplain, and moving and placing large stones and woody debris. Throughout the project, representatives from DEP, the Department of Permitting Services, and Montgomery Planning will be on site to ensure that all permit requirements, such as sediment control measures or tree protection, are in compliance.
Learn more by visiting our website, montgomerycountymd.gov/stream restoration. You can also contact us via email at askdep@montgomerycountymd.gov or by calling us at 240-777-0311. We look forward to speaking with you.